After months of speculation and whispers about whether DJI would venture into the 360 camera market, fresh leaks have confirmed the existence of the DJI OSMO 360. Not only that, but we also have a reported launch window, August 2025, according to tech outlet TechBit. The OSMO 360 appears ready to take on heavyweights like Insta 360 and GoPro, borrowing some advanced features from the Insta 360 X5. Let's dive into what we know about the DJI OSMO 360, its potential specs, and whether it has what it takes to rival the top players in the 360 camera space. Recent images leaked by tech insider Elena Voss show what looks like polished retail units of the OSMO 360, moving beyond early prototype rumors. One image highlights a sleek mounting mechanism, possibly designed for USB-C pass-through charging when paired with accessories like tripods. These leaks align with earlier images that gave us a glimpse of the camera's design, and the latest photos don't deviate from that vision. While the complete spec sheet remains under wraps, insider Kaan Yilmaz has dropped hints about the OSMO 360's capabilities. The camera is expected to mirror the Insta 360 X5's technical prowess, potentially offering 8K resolution for immersive 360-degree footage right out of the gate. Additionally, it's rumored to support 4K video recording at a smooth 120 frames per second, ideal for dynamic, high-quality captures. The Insta 360 X5 boasts a 1x1.28-inch CMOS sensor capable of 72 megapixel stills, so the OSMO 360 might feature a comparable sensor, possibly a 1x1.3-inch version similar to DJI's Osmo Action 5 Pro. However, in the world of 360 cameras, resolution and sensor size are only part of the equation. Creative shooting modes are what set these devices apart. The X5, for instance, offers a variety of innovative modes, including a selfie stick feature that revolutionizes solo shooting. For the OSMO 360 to stand out, DJI will need to deliver equally inventive tools to capture the imagination of creators. One potential drawback for the OSMO 360 could be its battery. Leaked FCC documents suggest a 1900 mAh battery, noticeably smaller than the 2400 mAh battery found in the Insta 360 X5. This could mean shorter shooting sessions, which might frustrate users who rely on extended recording times. On the plus side, the OSMO 360 is expected to integrate seamlessly with the DJI Mimo app, allowing users to edit and share their footage effortlessly on social platforms. This could give it an edge for creators prioritizing quick, on-the-go content creation. With the DJI OSMO 360 poised to make its debut, the question remains: can DJI challenge the dominance of Insta 360 in the 360 camera market? What unique features would you want to see in this new contender?